Hello and welcome to GarageBand Lesson 3, Make an Arrangement. In the last lesson, we created the A and B section of an ABA composition for 3 different instruments. That was the tricky part. This next part's going to be really quick. We're going to use something called the Arrange track. What we need to do is click right here where it says a track and show Arrange track, and here it is. There's a little plus sign. We're going to click on the plus sign, and now we have this gray bar, and it just happened to be 8 measures long. We can click and drag the end of that to be any length we want to, but we actually want 8 measures. There's our A section, and we click right where it says Untitled, type in A section. That's labeled. Click outside of that region, and we're going to do another arrange area. I need to slide over, and look, it just happens to be 8 measures long, but you can change the length of that to whatever you like. And we click on Untitled, B section. I just labeled my A, I labeled my B. Now we need to make this an ABA song, and I'm going to drag my zoom slider over here because I want to see the whole thing. And here's my A section. I'm going to click, drag my mouse over the whole A section, edit, copy, move the cursor to the end of the composition, edit, paste. We now have ABA, add another, arrange track, A section, and look, there we are, ABA. All nice and labeled. Click play. And we've got the whole thing. There are other things you can do with the arrangement track. Once you've labeled those sections, there are things you can do to rearrange things, try new combinations. But just setting those arrangement sections, labeling everything, is your first step. I like using this with students because then they can see the form of the song they've created, or you can see if they know the form of the song they've created. One thing about composing with loops is sometimes the end just really doesn't sound very much like an end. It gets to the end and it just kind of stops. So there are several things you can do. One thing you can do is you can just let that repeat a little bit, and you can do the very famous repeat and fade. So I'm going to put the cursor right there, and then we need to show the master track. And when we do that, down at the bottom we have volume, and we're going to click here. We've got a little button. We're going to click over here. We've got another one. Drag, and it's going to fade out. Easy ending. And that is Make an Arrangement with GarageBand. Thanks for watching.